Okay, so this is the weekly cycle analysis here for copper, and Slim had this really spot on. There was first that shift that happened here that was likely on 311 and then was confirmed on 318. That was back here prior to the move. And then you can see what happened after that. We flagged. And then right here, there was a low that was due in HG daily, in addition to the copper miners, which we look at FCX and we look at Southern Copper. Both of those names had daily lows that were due right at the same time as HG. So it was a very high odds play for a pop up in both Freeport and Southern Copper, in addition to obviously copper itself. And that has led to a nice move up. So if you are looking at copper, it's always important to also understand the timing going on with the miners. And if they're all syncing up, that should really be a higher conviction trade on your part. So right now here in copper, again, early in that rising mode, acting beautifully and still likely headed, frankly, much higher. There's a low that is due 624 to right around 729. And we'd be looking for, again, a move up, a move down, and then another move up. This is a very bullish overall chart in copper. We know that there are structural shortages going on here in copper, so this is likely a back half of 2024 story here in copper. Very positive action, and we should not lose sight of this bullish translation that's forming here. It says that this next move up could be quite powerful and is likely to be powerful here on the upside. So just because this is looking a little more rangy on the weekly, we shouldn't lose sight of where we are right now and what kind of translation we're seeing right now, because it is really about as positive as we have seen in copper in quite some time. If we jump over to the daily, you can see that this was the low that formed here. This is when we had lows that were due in FCX as well as SCCO, and then we turned up really beautifully on the upside. So what are we looking at here? You can see zones from 418 to right around 424. 424 is quite reasonable in the short term here. In HG, obviously, we have to hold this low at 396.75.